Bangaloreans embrace a healthy and positive lifestyle with enthusiasm with their participation in the debut edition of the Sri Ram Properties Bengaluru Marathon 2014.
This is the first marathon in the city of Bangalore. I enjoy running. Today I brought my son to see if he can do it, and I want to enthuse him to run a few marathons. Let me see how it goes. It's a fabulous day. It's a number marathon, so we are enjoying it.
My passion is to run, so when I keep running, I wanted to do something big like a proper marathon. So I did this now. This is my first marathon, so it's really exciting.
The marathon endeavors to promote healthy living for all age groups, encouraging the practice of running for health benefits.
It's a little over 3 hours since the first race began, and closing in towards the 4th hour, I can tell you that most people have completed their runs. Be it the half marathon or the full marathon, the professionals finished it way long back, and the amateurs coming in at this point in time with great cheering, which is happening at the finish line on to my right. That apart, while being here, I can just feel this sense of accomplishment that many people have within them. I can see that in their expressions on their face as they have completed the race. A few common sights here at the Kantirwa Stadium. It's either the athletes are stretching their muscles to soothe them, or they are giving each other high fives and congratulatory messages, congratulating each other on the feat that they have managed to accomplish on this day. It was just not about winning the race, right? It was also about just the spirit of participation. And one of them who did that and did well by completing the half marathon, which is a 21.1 kilometer run in 1 hour
22.
That's brilliant.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Damien from New York.
Yeah.
How did you feel Bangalore was this morning?
Oh, Bangalore was perfect this morning. The weather was beautiful. The course is fantastic. The course takes you all the way through the heart of the city, down into Indranagar, back again up there. It's a tough hill coming back on Old Airport Road, but it's a great course, and there's a good spirit. Everyone's out cheering us, so I think this is a really good beginning for Bangalore. I think this could be one of the world's largest marathons if Bangalore keeps at it. So I'm hoping that in 20 years I'll come back here, it'll be as big as New York. The energy is always great in India, right? I mean, there's a great spirit in India. So in terms of the participation, it's huge. There's 4,000 people in the half. It's only going to get bigger. Running is here to stay in India. It's growing, it's a movement now, so it's just going to get bigger and bigger.
Mahipati told me he's 56 running. I'm saying he's 56 and he's running. कैसा लगा आपको 21 किलोमीटर आपने खत्म किया?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
We have a growing running club in Bangalore, which only goes to show that fitness is of prime importance to our citizens, and it's great to witness something like this all over Bangalore, because I've been coming. It took me at least 45 minutes to reach here, but every road was blocked and people were cheering them on the road, which was unusual in Bangalore.
Festive spirit can be evidently seen with these finishers getting on their feet for another reason altogether. How was it today? Bangalore, you do the hill running, the hilly weather must be something like this, isn't it?
Yeah, basically we are used to running in the hills because we come from Satara in Maharashtra, which is in the Western Ghats. So, in fact, we had the idea that Bangalore is going to be a bit flat somehow. We got the idea that it's going to be a flat run, but at the end of the run, I realized that it's not really quite flat. It's a bit of an incline all the way, either in one direction, incline or decline. It's not really flat. So it's a tough run, but it's a good run. The atmosphere was quite good.
I loved it. I was very sick last night, so it was a challenging race. You can run in Bangalore anytime you want. It's like awesome weather, and today was like race weather.
Well, this man is certainly not an unfamiliar face to the marathon circuit in the country, perhaps beyond the country as well. Milind Soman, how did you like it today?
The route was fantastic. The organization was great. Lots of cheering en route, which is great. Normally in India you only see that at the Mumbai Marathon, but to see it here was wonderful. Bangalore has one of the most energetic running communities in the country, and Bangalore doesn't have a full marathon. Now they do. So and it's really arrived with a bang, I'd say.
The elite runners in the full marathon men saw the winner clock 2 hours 25 minutes and 51 seconds, and the runners-up clocked 2 hours 26 minutes and 2 hours 27 minutes.
A little over 2 hours, the daunting run of 42.2 kilometers comes to an end with Tirath Kumar taking the top honors.
Hyderabad Army Note से आया. एथलेटिक्स टीम उसने हैदराबाद आरती सेंटर से। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा, मौसम भी अच्छा किया है और मौसम ने साथ दिया, बहुत खुश है।
बहुत अच्छा किया इसने, लास्ट में बहुत कवर किया। मैं सोच नहीं रहा था कि मेरे को कवर कर लेगा, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी इसकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छी थी और अच्छा रेस लगा इसने। और मेरा यहाँ पे अभी बेस्ट टाइम आया इधर पे अभी तक का। होता रहता कंपटीशन चलता रहता है, कभी अप डाउन, हमेशा प्रैक्टिस से बराबर करते हैं। और बहुत सही रेस लगी, बहुत सही था, अच्छा लगा बहुत।
वेदर इज वेल बट माय टाइम इज इन नॉट वेस्ट टुडे।
The elite runners in the full marathon women saw the winner clock 3 hours 16 minutes and 18 seconds and the runners-up clocked 3 hours 17 minutes and 3 hours 39 minutes.
तो बेहतर कर चुके हैं, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का कमी है इसीलिए पता नहीं बॉडी बहुत टाइट हो गया था।
The elite runners in the half marathon men saw the winner clock 1 hour 11 minutes 57 seconds and the runner-up clocked 1 hour and 12 minutes and 1 hour and 18 minutes.
Just a little after an hour of the commencement of the half marathon, here we have the podium finishers.
अच्छा था, आज मौसम भी अच्छा था, हम भी ऊटी में इसी मौसम से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था, अच्छा था।
मैं ऐसे बहुत खुशी हूँ, आज का दिन मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है, दौड़ने में अच्छा लग रहा है।
मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो रहा है, आई फील प्राउड। ये हमारा होम ग्राउंड में जो 3rd पोजीशन करने के लिए मैं काफ़ी खुशी हूँ कि मैं प्राउड भी फील करता हूँ।
The elite runners in the half marathon women saw the winner clock 1 hour 18 minutes and 23 seconds and the runners-up clocked 1 hour 19 minutes and 1 hour 20 minutes.
मैं टाइमिंग के लिए नहीं, बस ओनली फर्स्ट करने के लिए किया था क्योंकि अभी मैं एशियन गेम्स करके आई हूँ तो रेस्ट था मेरा, तो बस ओनली विनिंग करना था मुझे।
Sir, I am happy. Timing also I feel good, sir. I am doing 5,000 and 10,000 meters. I not run too much times half marathon. So I feel good, sir. I am very happy to run with the Asian medalists.
मैं खुश हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एशियन गेम्स मिस हुआ था, मेरे को स्टेज फ्रैक्चर हुआ था, तो एशियन गेम्स के जस्ट 1 मंथ पहले मेरा स्टेज फ्रैक्चर पैर में हुआ था, तो मैं जस्ट देखना चाहती थी कि मैं अभी फिट हुई या नहीं हुई स्टेज फ्रैक्चर रिकवरी होने के बाद, तो मैं खुश हूँ।
The winners of the full marathon in the open category men clocked 2 hours and 34 minutes and the full marathon in the open category women clocked 3 hours and 39 minutes.
We had the perfect day. It was like 90% humidity, but everyone ran well. It was a beautiful day. So many people out cheering. You've got to love the Bangalore spirit.
After a long wait, Bengaluru finally has an annual city marathon which will go a long way in further promoting running in the city and encourage a fit and healthy lifestyle.